The key to successful weight loss is consistency. You know you need to eat healthy every day, but often you just don't have the time to cook healthy meals. Well, don't turn to sugary snacks or fatty fast food. This is where Fit and Lean Meal Shake can help. Fit and Lean Meal Shake is a delicious, fat-burning meal replacement powder that will satisfy your cravings and hunger. This gluten-free formula provides 20 grams of protein with only 150 calories, making it the perfect fit for a healthy diet plan. Fit and Lean Meal Shake provides all the key nutrients your body needs to burn fat, boost metabolism, and keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. Easy to make and easy to shake, Fit and Lean fits into a busy lifestyle. Whenever you have difficulty getting to a healthy meal, a chocolate milkshake, cookies and cream, or vanilla ice cream flavor meal shake is the convenient, guilt-free alternative that won't ruin your diet. Exercise and consistent good nutrition are essential for weight management. Fit and Lean Meal Shakes are a convenient way to stay on your program, helping you to look and feel your best.